love coalesce designs a lot. It's at first I used to believe that I love mega structures and airports because that's the side I'm interested in. But when it comes to designing for the people, for the community, I think you become more connected when you give them something raw to look at, something raw to feel, because we all humans are more raw people. We don't like being pretentious. Well, a house to live in, because home is that place where you don't want to be that person who you have to show off. You can just relax, you can be you, you have that freedom. You don't have to put yourself out there as an architect, as a mother, or as someone else with a designation, or as a journalist. You have to be you, so you have to be casually you.
So your house should be that casual?
Yeah, a house should be something that helps you feel unapologetically you. Well, I would suggest a book which says Steal Like an Artist by Austin Kleon and Show Your Work again by Austin Kleon. And he talks about that we all comes from a genius of geniuses. It's not like Michelangelo once became Michelangelo out of nowhere and he came out of the house bringing a sculpture with him. He actually was born in a genius of geniuses. There were ideas being shared. So once you look at some ideas, you get inspired and you don't know, it's just in the subconscious of your mind. And one day when you are looking for something that you really feel connected with, all those images, those flashbacks come popping up to you. And then you just know that it happens naturally.